Thousands of banana plants begin an extraordinary journey towards sustainable industrial fiber production. Fresh banana stems are harvested carefully for premium eco-friendly fiber manufacturing today. Loaded trucks transport fresh banana stems toward the world's largest processing factory. Spanning over 200 acres, this facility processes the largest volume of banana stems on Earth.
Robotic systems unload banana stems with incredible speed, accuracy, and industrial efficiency. Powerful washing systems remove impurities, preparing banana stems for precise industrial processing. Precision cutting prepares banana stems for efficient fiber extraction using advanced machinery.
Advanced extraction machines reveal strong natural fibers hidden inside banana stems beautifully. Automated conveyors transport natural fibers toward advanced cleaning and quality inspection systems. Clean natural fibers continue toward drying, becoming premium sustainable textile material tomorrow.
Moisture removal prepares natural fibers for efficient industrial drying and premium quality.
Hot air drying creates durable fibers ready for advanced textile manufacturing processes today. Systems stabilize fibers before intelligent quality inspection begins across production lines. Artificial intelligence selects only premium fibers, ensuring exceptional product quality every batch. Automatic grading separates fibers according to strength, length, and premium industrial standards. Softening machines improve flexibility while preserving natural fiber strength and remarkable durability. Softening machines improve flexibility while preserving natural fiber strength and remarkable durability. Precision combing aligns fibers, creating smooth bundles for efficient spinning and weaving. Precision combing aligns fibers, creating smooth bundles for efficient spinning and weaving. Laser-guided cutting ensures uniform fiber lengths for premium textile manufacturing quality always.
High-speed spinning transforms natural fibers into durable, sustainable textile yarn efficiently today.
Finished yarn prepares for weaving into premium, eco-friendly fabrics used worldwide daily. Automated looms weave durable banana fibers into beautiful, eco-friendly premium fabric efficiently. AI inspection guarantees flawless fabric, meeting strict international quality standards every production. Automatic rolling prepares premium fabric for accurate cutting and industrial packaging operations. Laser cutting delivers perfectly measured fabric pieces with remarkable industrial precision every time. Automatic folding prepares finished fabric for efficient packaging and worldwide distribution today.
Vacuum packaging protects premium fabric, ensuring maximum cleanliness during global transportation, always.
Robotic packaging ensures efficient handling with outstanding industrial speed and remarkable accuracy. Automated palletizing prepares finished products for secure warehouse storage and efficient shipping. Protective wrapping secures every shipment for reliable transportation across international markets safely. Smart warehouses organize premium banana fiber products for fast worldwide export distribution. Automated loading systems prepare premium banana fiber products for worldwide transportation efficiently. Export terminals efficiently organize international shipments using advanced logistics and automation technologies. The AI reports green across all sectors, balance optimized.
Roger that. Cranes 7 and 8, proceed with the banana fiber shipment.
Premium banana fibers become sustainable fashion products through advanced textile manufacturing technologies. Every finished product receives detailed inspection, ensuring exceptional craftsmanship and lasting durability. Elegant packaging protects sustainable products while creating premium customer shopping experiences worldwide.
Luxury, eco-friendly products attract customers seeking sustainable quality and modern, elegant lifestyles.
Customers appreciate sustainable craftsmanship, combining beauty, durability, and environmental responsibility perfectly.
Banana stems become extraordinary sustainable products, protecting nature through innovative industrial manufacturing.
Global distribution centers deliver premium banana fiber products with remarkable speed worldwide.
International exports connect sustainable banana fiber products with customers across every continent.
Smart logistics technology manages efficient deliveries through advanced artificial intelligence systems globally. Agricultural waste transforms into valuable, sustainable materials, protecting nature for future generations. Premium banana fiber products combine sustainability, elegance, durability, and outstanding craftsmanship beautifully. Gigantic automated factories produce sustainable materials using innovative, environmentally friendly manufacturing technologies.
Every manufacturing stage demonstrates innovation, precision, sustainability, and exceptional industrial engineering excellence.
Innovation continuously improves sustainable manufacturing through intelligent automation and advanced engineering solutions.
Nature and technology unite, creating extraordinary sustainable industries benefiting future generations together.
As the sun sets on a new era, these premium fibers are ready to change the world.